I'm Ben Harris, CEO and co-founder of National Drones. My background is in aviation as a commercial pilot. I used to do large area aerial survey operations, so we would fly around aircraft with sensors in the back, cameras and laser systems. And at the time there was a disruption into that industry with the use of remotely piloted aircraft. So I started leading some small research and development teams in my previous role, and then in 2015 founded the Training Institute arm of National Drones. We offer asset inspection services and large area surveys to a number of clients across Australia, and then on the back end of that we build software that gives customers a user experience that enables them to navigate their assets and understand the condition of their assets. So basically it's a condition monitoring and asset inspection platform.
My name is Jake Milburn. My role is the lead instructor for National Drones. I do training for remote pilot's license, which is like kind of commercial drone license.
The access to the entrepreneurs in residence and mentors has been fantastic as well. They're all very established people in their own right, so people that you can genuinely just call up and bounce ideas off, who will offer suggestions and different ways of approaching problems and different ways of thinking about problems has been extremely valuable as well. And that's what we were hoping to get out of it, and that's one of the things we have been able to get out of it as well. It's sharpening focus, it's around what we need to grow, what some of our current pain points might be and how we address those. Everything from sort of marketing plans through to helping our salespeople better their focus, and one of the other things that we've been working on is storytelling, understanding the importance of telling the story properly when you're both pitching but in every interaction that you might have with people. We've made some great connections. I think the other founders, Ashish and Blake, are both absolutely fantastic. Everyone involved in the collab itself has been absolutely fantastic as well. It feels like you're really supported in this community.
It's a really good initiative by the Logan City Council. The space here seems really good, very kind of almost tech orientated.
To me, it's one of those things that we hadn't ever really seen anything like this come out of Logan before. So raising the awareness of things like the collab for students that are in year 11 and 12 that are genuinely going to shape the future of a lot of these industries, I think is very important. And Logan doing that and raising the awareness through high schools is going to be fantastic as well. I think that's just going to really raise the awareness and put Logan on the map as well.